Hi students, now let us see how to work with the few escape characters. Also we call it as a escape sequences. So here I have a statement print, it is Python language. See whatever I have here backslash double quote, this is the begin, this is the end of the escape sequence. Not begin and end. So here I would like to print the Python like Python within the double quotes. Okay. So for that purpose, what I'm doing to print this backslash, I'm keeping the here to print this double quotes and keeping a backslash here. See here, if I first let us see the output, then I explain with the removing the this escape sequences and backslash t here. T is nothing but a tab. So I get some spaces. So Python is it will be printed in the middle of the screen. Then open source, and again here 3 tabs is the to learn, and slash n. Slash n is for the new line. Okay, takes 2 lines of the space. Then Python extension is see again here to print the .py within the single quotes, like in this way. I'm using the backslash here. Let's see the result first here, how it will be printed. See here, it is printing. The Python is within the double quotes. Okay, and there is a space here. What is this space? This is nothing but a tab. And also here I have the space. This is also tab. And this is the 1 line, 2 lines of the space is there. This is what? New line. Okay. And see again I'm printing this .py within the single quotes. How you are getting? Using the backslash single quote. Let's try the output. Now, let's see here without writing, just I write only double quotes without backslash. So what is happening here when I'm trying to run it shows an error. Invalid syntax, perhaps you forgot a comma. So this is the beginning of the string and this is the end of the string. Then whatever to this Python, it's unable to recognize it. So to distinguish that one, I should keep a backslash. Then it runs without the any error here. This is how to use escape sequences, escape characters along with the print statement to format my output results.